All right, Zach. So before I show him the reveal,
should have done it sooner.
Should have done it sooner. What's going on, guys? So we are here today at R&D in Osika, auto body shop, performance shop. And this is actually pretty brand new. This is Kimberly. She's the one that's running everything. She was gracious enough to let us come out and use her lift, which is freaking incredible because he's been killing his back for a long time. So we got a couple things we've been talking about fixing for a while. I ordered a new drive shaft. Everybody said it's 4 bolts and it's super simple. And after we inspected it, it definitely is. So there's 4 bolts there. And then that should fix our U-joint problem. And then up front, like I said, we never had a lift before, but now we definitely are sure that it's coming from the sandwich plate, which is what we thought before. So we're waiting for the motor to cool down, tighten up the sandwich plate, and then just kind of take a look at everything because I'm trying to get this thing ready for FL2K. And then Mega Squirt will be here probably in a week and a half. And then the carbon fiber wing will be here on Tuesday. So once we put all that on, oh, and then from our intercooler crash from the last time you guys saw, a new one of those is on the way, and we're not gonna do that again. But we're just gonna go through the whole thing now that we got a lift to look at it and just make sure we can replace every seal, everything that's possibly leaking, as well as this drive shaft. In the history of, from the beginning of time, from when I've started working on cars, everybody will tell you, oh, it's a 5-minute job, so easy. So I go online this morning and I'm talking about, you know, we're gonna swap drive shafts because we got a bad U-joint. And literally, this was the first time. It was 4 bolts, and it slid right out. Now, what I read online was that a lot of people said as soon as you slide it out, you're gonna have a bunch of trans fluid come out. Problem is, nothing came out. So, while we're here, we're gonna fill it up with trans fluid, just to make sure. So, and then we're gonna go through and inspect all our leaks and everything here because let me tell you what, it's pretty nasty under here. Because all this oil's gotta be coming from somewhere. All right. What? So listen, typically we don't have a lift, so we're used to working on our backs and it takes us all day, but that's the e-brake cable. I didn't tell you guys in the beginning, but we got brand new e-brake cables because we have not had an e-brake in this car since day 1. So we're putting it in gear using a wheel chock and it's been just a nightmare. So we have 2 brand new fresh cables and a fresh handle, and a big shout out to Treasure Coast Miata. Treasure Coast Miata hooked me up with this stuff big time, and I will buy every single part imaginable from Treasure Coast Miata, and they have everything in stock. Literally, it was in my house from FedEx like the next day. All right, guys, so today was a good day. We got a lot accomplished. We got the new drive shaft in. They actually donated to us at the performance shop we were at a Godspeed intercooler, and it does fit, so we may paint it black, I'm not sure. A couple other things, we finally, after months and months and months, we have a functioning e-brake. So there's a few minor things to tidy up. What's going on, guys? So we are back, and today is a super exciting install day. Got my master unboxer here, and what's in the box? If you had to guess what's in the box.
It's carbon fiber, it's light.
It's light? How light? Should we weigh it? Oh yeah, okay. All right, let's unbox this bad boy. It's a wing. You guys know it's a wing. I've been talking about a wing for a long time. So let's unbox it, and then I got, nice. And then we're gonna go over to the other garage, grab the Miata, and figure out how we're going to mount it. So, and then I got some window banners coming. I spent like the last 3 days looking through fonts. I sent about 100 fonts. All these guys are sick of seeing fonts, but I got some new window banners coming. It's gonna go on the front of the Supra. Maybe one for the Scion and then one for the Miata. Then I'm gonna put a brand new induction logo on the back glass here. And yeah, they're looking right. Well, I'm gonna try to help you, but I'm holding them. Okay. Perfect length. So it's a 57-inch wing. And then the bars, it should be 28 inches for the brackets, and the bars are exactly 28 inches on the Miata. So those are brackets. Let's just go straight to the goods. Let's just go straight to the good stuff.
Straight to the wang.
Straight to the big wang. Ooh! Now, guys, let's talk about this. So this is an Amazon wing. I paid 199 bucks for it, and just initial. Let's inspect the quality.
It's a little
nick. right there. Okay. I really like the way it curves. Oh yeah. Oh, that is nice. What do you think? It's got the pre-drilled holes.
That all the downforce.
All the downforce.
F1.
F1 down. Okay, let's go over and grab the Miata so we can hold it up, mock it up there, and start making our brackets. Little Miata that could. Listen to how good it sounds with no squeaking from the drive shaft. Probably good. Gives a little room to work. Sounds good, man. Fires right up.
And we got e-brake.
And we got e-brake. So jumping right into the install, we're gonna have to make our own brackets. I know you just held it up. Do you want to hold it up there again so you can kind of just get a little visual on it? Maybe from the back. That's really where I like to see it. Oh yeah. That's the front. Yeah, we're figuring this out. Yeah, yeah, you're right. Yeah. No, the other way. Flip it around. I guess look better the other way though. Downforce. Oh, the downforce. It's perfect length too.
Yeah, actually the width.
Yeah, no, the width is awesome. It's 57 inches long and it hangs just over the tires. While Alejandro is here working on the wing, and we're gonna have to fab up our own brackets once. What's your plan, bro? Just to put these brackets?
Mocking it up and see how.
Okay.
Actually, it's gonna.
All right, but this is super exciting. I told you guys I had some decals on the way. This is done. I'm gonna show you this car. So this is a 91 1.6. This was good because these wheels are 15/8 with, I believe, a set of 20 offset.
Yeah.
That's good to be able to see because I'm gonna start looking at wheels. So hit him up if you need anything. What do? You do like anything custom?
I personally do vinyl graphics, but the wheels actually came from Enemy Creations. They're here in Tampa, and they also have an Orlando location as well.
Hit him up at DBZ_MX5. All right, so this is mock-up part 1. Mock-up part 1. And we're trying to figure out exactly what it is we're going to have to make a little Home Depot trip for to figure out how we're going to get it. What are you thinking?
I don't know what I'm thinking.
Okay.
Yet.
We'll be back. What's going on, guys? So like I said before, this video is all over the place, but today's the day we're going to take the Miata Kart down to MB Fab. Got Zach here to help me out. We thought we were all going to be able to just ride in this thing, but the box is so big and it's just not going to fit. So we're just going to take the Scion, the toaster, and then take this. He told me if I came first thing in the morning, which is pretty early now, they open at 9 o'clock. It doesn't look like there's any rain. It's supposed to rain, like 1 o'clock? Yeah. At like 1, but he said it should only take him an hour. He's gonna do it while we wait. So, but if we do get caught in some kind of hurricane, at least we got the toaster. Are you ready? How's having an e-brake feel? Made it out to MB Fab and they're gonna start on the cage. I actually did something right. I got the correct size. So the mounting points that are already on the wing are the exact length. I think it's 28 inches long. So Mike, you wanna tell us like the plan? What's the game plan?
We're gonna do some larger material that, like a half moon, that sits over the roll cage material perfectly.
Okay.
So it's removable, not welded on. So if you do want to take it off at one point, it will be removable.
All right.
It's going to go to the height you're talking about, level to a little bit higher than the top of the cage.
Yeah, just a little bit higher top of the cage. I think it'll look good. Yeah.
About 18 inches off the pole.
And then you guys will probably put the poles right here in the middle, so it's out a little bit. All right, cool.
Yeah, so it's not awkwardly.
Yeah, because that's what when me and Zach were in the garage, like we were trying to do it ourselves. Like I told you, we were gonna go to Home Depot, and it was coming out bad. We had the wing like up here, stuck to the cage, and I'm like, this is awful. Like this is not gonna work.
It needs to look somewhat,
because that was like my vision, just to have the poles here, and then and have it. Yeah. So
we'll have it up there.
Sweet. All right, so let me go ahead and give you guys a little update here. So the hole drilling has begun. These are wet. I can pick them up. These are good. So this is the actual bracket here, and this came out way better than I could ever have hoped. So it's basically going to go there like that, and then the wing's going to attach up here, and we're almost finished. We'll get to see what this thing looks like, but it's going to be freaking awesome. And then I guess for the future of this thing, I'm definitely gonna bring it back here again. I know I want to do a fuel cell. I gotta talk to you about a fuel cell. I want to do that eventually.
Got one here.
Yeah, I definitely want to do a fuel cell, and
Back there.
it'll look way better with a fuel cell. So we got the brackets mounted, and yeah, like me and Zach were just talking about, our brains don't work very well. That's why we're not fabricators. So we thought the bolt was gonna go like this, but instead the bolts go down. So all right, Zach. So before I show him the reveal,
Should have done it sooner.
should have done it sooner. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh, that is so good. Man. So we made it back home. Zach, how's the downforce?
I did notice it actually.
Yeah?
So like on the overpasses here in Florida, when you hit them, they're pretty bumpy. And before it just wanted to bounce, but
Right.
now it felt planted, like it
Really?
wanted to stay planted.
That's awesome.
And then also it cleaned up a lot of the dirty air behind
Right.
the car. So like on the way back, I could actually hear the speaker.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's
I mean,
awesome.
The exhaust is still loud.
Right.
Ever, but
Yeah, no, that's
cleaned up
awesome.
a lot of the
We gotta look at this one more time. I mean, just these little plates here and everything, like the way they did it is so good, man.
And it got more attention on the way back than it did on the
Oh,
way
I'm
there.
sure it's gonna get all the attention now. All right, guys, so we finally got the wing on and it looks freaking sick. MB Fab did a great job. Next time you guys see this thing, it should be on the dyno. We got the Mega Squirt, we're waiting on the IAT sensor and the injectors. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.